Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install FreeView on your Firestick device. FreeView is a digital television that provides many local live TV channels. The best part of this service is they don't provide any contract, ask for monthly subscription as everything is completely free. So this is very useful and simple step-by-step video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. So press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then click on it. Now scroll across and find my Fire TV option. Once you have found my Fire TV option, then click on it. Then click on developer option and now turn on apps from unknown source. Now press remote home button. Now here click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. Once you have typed downloader, then click on. Then click on downloader app. Now click on download button for downloader download. After downloading downloader, then click on open button, allow permission, click on OK, and here as you can see the search box, then click on and type your link. So the link is firestick.com/freeview.apk. After type link, then click on go button for downloading FreeView. After download FreeView app, then click on down install button. And after installed FreeView, then delete FreeView APK. Now press remote home button and again press home button for 3 seconds. Click on apps, and here as you can see all installed application on Firestick. So I am opening FreeView. Permission allow. So here you can type postcode. If you are living outside UK, NZ or Australia, you need to first connect VPN, and you can easily find the postal code of countries by searching on Google. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.